So another problem with MRIs that a lot of people know, but it's not often mentioned, is a lot of them interfere with metallic and electronics that might be implanted in your body, from everything from uh, fillings in teeth to more critical things like pacemaker, to stents, to IUDs, stuff like that. And traditionally, this hasn't gone much in the design, but I'm wondering if future technology should look at this as an intrinsic problem. We're getting plastics that are a lot stronger than ever before, more flexible. These could replace traditional hip joints, metallic hip joints. But also cementous, we're learning to grow them. We're learning to grow stuff from stem cells and all these other ideas. Ceramics, a ton of ideas. Your bone actually is kind of a living ceramic. It's kind of cool that way. Ceramics actually are broader range of groups that you take a material, usually a metal oxide, and you put them together and then you heat them up and cool them down in a specific way that the crystals start fusing together. So there's ceramics that are not anything like, but you can also do after heating and cooling. They have similar properties. It's a lot broader group than people think it is. So you have ceramics, but then you also have new ways to make more conductive things. And that's we have plastics now that can conduct, not nearly as well as metal, but they can conduct. And they won't have the same idea about metals, because metals, when they need a strong magnetic field, they become magnetic themselves, but these plastics don't. And these plastics, you can maybe in the future, we can also make a little bit of computer chips with them. Maybe we can also make use of ceramics, because there are some ceramics that we can make it. And by getting rid of metal stuff, they might not interfere it, or we can figure out ways around it. Because it still might feel with the electric currents if we target something like a pacemaker, but maybe we can get rid of that with it. With more engineering that it can have like shut-off valves, like a circuit breaker almost. Yeah, a circuit breaker would be what stops it from burning out, quite literally. And it could have a reset. Another idea is just to grow new tissue for artificial heart or something. Another idea to make MRIs handle this one is there is magnetic shielding, but that will only protect you from certain part of the body. So maybe you could put magnetic shielding so someone getting an MRI in the head, it doesn't affect the pacemaker in the heart. This could also happen. These are just some side ideas, benefits from how we can maybe get rid of the problem with the magnetic fields on people's bodies with new technology, stuff like that. Well, thank you very much for listening. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment behind for future videos. Thank you very much. Goodbye.